Hi, I'm Samin. If you want to start your own business but think that you can't because you don't have initial capital and can't invest, so you can't have your own business, this particular video is specifically for you because in this comprehensive video, I genuinely want to introduce you to 10 profitable businesses you can realistically start with less than $1,000. The first idea is doing everyday tasks for your neighbors. What does that mean? You start with your neighbors and within your neighborhood doing things like gardening, cleaning up leaves and plants from the ground, and in winter, shoveling snow and tidying up the yard. Things like landscaping work. 2, pet sitting and dog or cat walking. You can start right in your own neighborhood. Start by offering to walk their dogs and even provide some basic dog training. You can learn all of this with just a little bit of training, even from YouTube, like how to teach a dog to sit or how to tell a dog to lie down, get up, eat, not eat, come, go, and so on. You can teach them all of these commands. In this video, I want to give you a few more ideas that are really important for you. Next up, the next idea. The third idea is home cleaning. For home cleaning, all you really need to do is start with someone you know, get a job from them to start cleaning their house. Or, for example, you could clean their garage or tidy up the backyard or even clean the house itself. Just start with that one person. First job, second job, third job. And always remember, when you start a business, you're not supposed to have a huge company with other people working for you from day one. From the very beginning, you have to work for yourself, learn the job, and then when you have more clients, you can hire people so you don't have to do the work yourself anymore. Let others do it and you just manage it. The next idea is offering simple repair services and technical work. Like what? Like repairs, simple tasks, fixing irons, I don't know, repairing grooves and channels. For example, if something is leaking, you can very easily watch tutorials for these things on YouTube. For instance, once you've chosen, you can go on YouTube and search for how to repair an iron or manual iron servicing and watch the tutorials. If you watch 3 or 4 videos, you can try it yourself at home, open it up, repair it, service item, then you can do it for others as well and fix several things for them. In fact, washing machines have major repairs and some routine maintenance that you can do for people. Another job you can do is photography. Photography for real estate agents is very simple, and with a budget of under $1,000, you can get a camera. You can get a simple camera, and there are plenty of tutorials on YouTube about how to edit photos if you search for it. If you search for real estate photo editing, you'll find out how you can edit, what you can do, and what you need to do, and it's really simple. Look, YouTube is a free university that you can take advantage of. Always keep that in mind. The next idea is free buying and selling on Marketplace. What does that mean? It means you can go on Facebook Marketplace or other places like Kijiji and so on. There are a lot of people who for a very small fee or even for free are selling something they've put it up for sale. All you have to do is go and pick it up. Now, if that item is a little damaged, for example, if it's a table that's broken, you can sand it down and fix it yourself. If you want to go down this path with this idea, it's clear that I want to buy and sell wooden items or buy electrical appliances. We buy electrical appliances that are a little damaged or have some issues. For example, we learn how to service it, fix it, and sell it. Or say with $10, we go and buy a table, for instance. We bring this table, sand it, paint it, and basically make it look new. Then sell it to someone else, someone who has a yard, for example. The next job is mobile car wash or mobile detailing. You can start very simply, meaning you can buy the equipment for detailing, get a water pump, which you might be able to buy a good one for around $200 or $250. Buy some shampoos and things like that. Maybe with $500 or $600 you can buy everything, and with $400 or $500 you can start advertising and get going. You can actually start with the car you already have and begin washing other people's cars. Now, Let's wash the cars of friends and acquaintances like this. I know that these mobile car washes have really big vehicles. They're not big. They have a lot of equipment in their vehicles, but you can start with a lower budget using your own car, use their water and electricity, or get a very small electric motor for yourself. We can use their water, or even more interestingly, you can put 2 buckets of water in your car and use those buckets and just start like that until you can get more cars. You can get a car specifically for detailing, actually for detailing work for yourself, and you can really start any of these ideas for under $1,000. It's very easy to get customers because you're going to start with your friends and people around you, and you can do this very easily. The next idea is photography and videography for social media. What does that mean? It means that I have a company that needs to do Instagram and Facebook work and have advertisements. You come in as an admin and say, hey, I'll come and shoot your videos, take your photos, edit them for you, post them on social media, and charge you a fee. And there are a lot of people in companies who need these kinds of people to come and work for them on a contract basis for a relatively low cost. They want someone to come to their company during the day and film them, or go to their projects, take videos and photos, edit and prepare them, and then give them the final product so that either the company itself can post it on their social media or these people can post it on their own social media. These are a few ideas that you can easily pursue really easily and with little capital. I myself have followed this exact path, meaning if I'm telling you this here, I'm not someone who, for example, has $100 million and doesn't understand the struggles of people who don't have money. I myself started 2 businesses with less than $1,000. One of them was exactly this, filming and photographing for agents, and the other was, as I mentioned, making and designing custom handmade wooden doors for custom homes. The way it worked was that I partnered with a company, a workshop that made these doors. I knew they didn't have a designer, didn't have a salesperson, and we're a small company, so I partnered with them, talked to them, started working for myself with very little cost, and at the same time, I was also doing real estate photography on the side. If I'm suggesting these things to you, it's because these are paths I've only just recently started myself. I mean, it's a path that I maybe started just 3 or 4 months ago, and now I've reached an income where I can cover my monthly expenses and it costs very little. So if you have any ideas, suggestions, or questions, be sure to write them for me in the comments. We can definitely brainstorm together and I can help you come up with good ideas so you can start your own business. Don't be afraid of not having a business or not having money. Be afraid of not starting. It's always about getting started. Starting is better than not starting.